Yes, indeed. There are a few cracks on the pitch, so expect some turn with the likes of Sufyan Mukim into the side for Pakistan. He is one of the two changes, as Shahid Aziz also comes in with his pace bowling battery. Whereas for India, it remains unchanged. That same team that scored 297 on this very pitch will be taking to the field once more. I'm joined by Maninder Singh in the commentary box. Manipa, what an occasion, especially for the likes of a young Vaibhav Sooryavanshi. I love his attitudes in counter. Aziz with that express pace was full this time, inside edge, lucky.
Scores runs quickly. He saw his strike rate. He scored runs at a strike rate of a similar fashion in the way these two batters bat. Wasn't much room outside the off stump. Look at him. Got into that position, opened the face of the blade, played it in the air. He knew where he was playing it. He knew where the fielder was. Yeah, after playing that shot, he stayed there for a little bit for the photographers to take that picture. That is one shot, which is the coach's delight. The left-handers look so attractive when they're playing shots on the offside.
Hang it in the loop. Simply scintillating every time he's in the middle. Vaibhav Sooryavanshi.
Get after me.
Carved away. Yes, it was in the air, but it found the gap.
Wicket for the bowlers as well. Too much room outside the off stump. There was that bounce. Smartly played, smartly placed by Naman. This is what you need to do. Keep supporting Vaibhav Sooryavanshi as well.
Right by the ears. He could hear the fizz of the ball.
Effort ball. That was an effort delivery.
Absolutely wonderful stroke that, making full use of the pace available on the ball. Ahmed Danial coming in, trying to put an effort ball straight away. And on this pitch, the batters, they would love the pace on the ball. Just have a look at this, slicing it. Wasn't a bad line, but the batter creating room, moving towards the leg side, allowing his arms to go through the stroke. Is the second innings score, and this was placed beautifully through the gap on the up.
Googly again, but on the shorter side, and will reach the fence for 4. Picked up the Googly really well, beating Sufyan Mukim in the deep.
Yeah, this is something that the Pakistan, an easy one. Short and wide, bowling the Googly, and no problems there for Naman. It would be the key not to give any room to the batters. Swept away in the gap. Again, loosener to start off with. Easy pickings for the batter.
You have to give a lot of credit to Naman to spot that gap. There was a field at deep square leg, and he made sure it goes finer.
When I watched this pair bat, their calmness is very, very impressive. Both Naman and Sooryavanshi have shown 45 of 28. He's gone.
An expensive over, but a successful over. Comes to an end. At the end of 10, it's 93 for 3.
Yeah, he was brilliant with the bat, scored 96 with the ball. He took 2 wickets for 14 in 3 overs, certainly making a case for himself. And look at the catch in the Volcano.
Compare and contrast the previous match and this, as they try to steal a quick single. He reached there. India A hit at the 10 over mark. India A had hit 24 fours and 25 sixes in the previous game overall. But this way, halfway mark, they've scored 13 fours and 4 sixes. Nehal Vadera's record, his 55th match with a strike rate of 130. At 11, you can go up to 200.
You know, you look into how the India A have batted. They've actually started off things really nicely at 97 for 3. And that man, Sooryavanshi, what a name he's making for himself. 9. And then it is almost 2 in the last 4. also they have lost 2 wickets. And it tells you the value of wickets in any format, in this T20 format as well. Look at that, the projected score is now 153 at the current run rate of 7.65. Of course, they can do more. They just need to build some partnership.
When we came into the comms box, we were talking about 180 being very easily attainable for India. How things change in a matter of minutes. It's a packed house, or slowly getting there at the West End Park.
And Ashutosh cannot believe his luck. How crucial has that been, and how wonderful the comeback from Pakistan has been. That's another good over that comes to an end. A bit of a hustle in between, but all well. At the end, 3 runs in a wicket in this over. After 14, it's 104 for 5.
Shabash! Come on, boys! Chalo, chalo, ek aur. ठीक है. एक और, guys, एक और.
To the arrival of 23-year-old Harsh Dubey. Best of just 18. So you're into the tail now.
Catch!
Oh, shouts of catch. It was in the air.
Run, Mas.
Ramandeep and Harsh Dubey would want to pull out a rescue act now, because this is what transpired.
Yeah, well, things are falling apart for India. I believe just thinking about scoring runs, but it's also important that you understand the value. And that too is of Maaz Sadakat, the first boundary he can deserve to the kind of shot that he has played. Ramandeep, what a shot that is. And inside out. He played it nicely, found it as an arc and smashed that.